Gas engines can be used not only to turn a generator and create electricity, but also to produce heat. The hot water circuit recovers this heat, which can then be used for the heating and cooling of buildings, in industrial processes, or to generate steam. Heat is produced when the air-gas mixture is compressed in the turbocharger and then combusted in the combustion chamber. Heat exchangers around the engine extract heat directly from the air-gas mixture, from the oil circuit, and from the jacket water circuit. A heat exchanger works when hot and cold media pass next to each other, separated by a metal wall. In addition to the heat exchangers on the engine, heat can also be recovered from the combusted gas with an exhaust gas heat exchanger. Heat exchangers are connected with piping in a specific sequence, which can be modified to meet each customer's individual temperature requirements. As water travels through the circuit, its temperature increases. It then passes its heat onto the customer before starting its journey again.